Hi, this is Brother Pie, and I'm playing Over the Hedge. Last time we were in the streets and had to get a couple of stuff there. And I think we're off to find a TV. Yeah, I think that's what we're doing. Yeah. Of course, I beat this game before, like I did in Madagascar 2, and I'm gonna beat it again.
Jeez, what kept you guys? The TV's in a house near the end of the street.
Oh.
I'll meet you there.
Right.
That looks inviting.
Humans sure know how to make stuff sparkly.
Wow. That's a lot of mental trash. I will do the best I can as to complete some goals. But sorry. Fix the camera. What the heck? I heard a cat meow. Find all the porcupine kids. Never trigger a motion sensor. Never get electrocuted. I can try. Okay. Can I get in here? It's a swirl of madness! I call that hammer. Well, Henry's got it now. Alright, let's go. Oh, rats. Got the gun. Got 2 guns. Porcupine kid's up there. Someone. There. 2 more to go. What the heck? He got electrocuted. Would that count for him? I got a hard head.
Look at me!
Look at you, you're amazing. I need that gun. Got it.
Present for you.
Another one. Found one. 1 more to go. Hey, I'm doing some good so far. Got it. Carefully. Dang it, I got electrocuted. So much for that goal. pine kid around? There should be, because I heard one. There's... Don't worry. Found Jack. And where'd I go? Well, I missed one go up, but that's okay. I never trigger a single spotlight. It's a spotlight. Very careful. Step to this. It's a single attention.
You made it! Awesome! Over here! Come on, hurry! The door's right over.
No!
Come in peace. I'm warning you. Don't come any closer or I'll...
We gotta help her. She can't play dead for that long.
Actually, they can play dead for up to 6 hours. Ooh. Okay, where's Hammy? I need my buddy a sense of... I hate those things. Ow.
Ooh, coming at you.
Wow. Him. Come on.
Not yet.
Free Heather. There. I want that.
Sorry I wasn't more help.
Of course.
Heather, what were you thinking?
What? I thought you'd be proud.
Honey, you know you're not ready for the big leagues yet. You've barely even mastered feigning unconsciousness.
Dad, get real and better and you can't handle it. Just like Mom always says.
We'll discuss this at the log, young lady. Oh, boy. Let's just grab the tube while the Issues household thrashes this out.
Yeah. We headed down the street. So, kind of messed one up, but we didn't mess up the... Well, that's okay. Okay, let's go into the house.
Anybody besides me not seeing a TV right now?
Nice projector. Hey,
This
projector!
is what humans call a film projector. It makes stuff look way huger than it really is, but by using optical science instead of marketing. Pick it up and carry it outside. I'll show you.
Okay. Rats in the house! Rats in the house!
What just happened?
Alright. Get the heck out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Alright, gotta run. Woohoo! Alright, good.
We're all meeting at the end of the street. See you there.
Okay. Over there. I tapped on a fish. Okay. Let's go. Run. No, no, no. Ah. Ow. We both died.
You made it! Awesome! Over here!
We have to start
hurry!
over.
The door's
again.
right over. Come in peace. I'm warning you. Don't come any closer or I'll...
We gotta help her. She can't play dead for that long.
Alright. Help.
What just happened?
Enemy, meet raccoon.
Got it.
Thanks.
Heather,
What?
honey, you know.
Dad.
We'll discuss. Oh,
Oh. Hope I don't fail on this one. Here we go again. Hopefully it don't fail.
This is what humans... Pick it up.
Okay.
Want some more?
Okay, here it is. Just take it and run. Got it. Let's roll.
We're all meet.
Right over there, of course. This over with.
Why did you hit me?
We're opening this cooler over here. There. Nice, yummy pizza. Now let's go. Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Gotta be kidding me. Now stay down, huh? Alright. Yeah, made it alive.
All this for just a little box. Was it worth it?
Yes.
Dad.
The danger, the risk, the travel time.
Dad.
Don't interrupt me, young lady. All of us could have been captured, bored, or worse.
Bored.
Dad, it shows football. Real big. Like as big as a tree.
That has no bearing on, we talking sycamore or sequoia?
I don't
It's
know.
not going to show anything until we get it home. Come on.
Alright, let's go. Well, we messed up one goal. Well, that's okay. But never get electrocuted. That counted as 2? I just got electrocuted once. And it counts as that. Wow. Well, what would that be? Well, goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time. Sorry, guys. Accidentally. Well, I figured out there was a cutscene here, so let's hear it.
Hey, that sounds just like...
Oh no. Right?
Hey, get your reptile! Over here!
No,
Yeah.
Bert's just a patsy. It's me you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, go after him!
Whoa.
See? We drove him off.
Yeah.
He's coming back.
That's our cue to get this show on the road.
Yeah. Oh, I guess we're heading back to the woods. Yeah. Let's see what we got.
It's so huge. It's amazing.
It was worth it, right? Going into a human house.
Wow.
Honey, this would have been worth infiltrating a whole city block. But still, I don't like the idea of you putting yourself in danger. Promise me you won't take any unnecessary risk from now on, unless digital picture quality's at stake. A father worries.
Dad, film and video aren't even the same thing.
Heather,
I promise, I promise.
Well, I'll be sitting here watching TV, or watching my film projector. Spur pie. Goodbye. See you next time. Whoop.